So, how been ya? Welcome to the Black Country Craftsman's YouTube channel. If you enjoy our content, please subscribe. Smash us a like. Your support is much appreciated. So let's crack on with the rest of the video. Today we're going to look at repairing this anthracite UPVC patio door. Now, to complete this task you will need 180 grit sandpaper, a filler knife, some masking tape, some old newspaper and some anthracite paint. Now, the damage to the patio door is not too bad. It's just the edge of the frame that's damaged. Now, as it's quite a textured surface, just sand it basically with 180 grit sandpaper, just so it just gives it a little bit of texture. Firstly, we need to very carefully just sand the damage out. In this photo, I just want to point out the rubber seal in this picture. It's imperative you fully cover this before you respray the door frame. Using a pair of scissors, just cut a small slither off the masking tape to cover the rubber seal. Using this flexible filler knife, carefully push the masking tape into the rubber seal. Right, here's the two paints that I tend to use for anthracite. Now, you've got the first one, which is a Koenig, which has got a built-in lacquer. Again, very good product. And this one I got mixed up. It's a Colour Bond product. Both are technically meant to be 7016, which is the roll number for anthracite. Now, with the Koenig one comes up slightly darker, which I think is possibly the Profile 21 make, which is a common profile used in the UK. Right, as you can see, I've done a couple of samples, very difficult to tell with the light. As you can see, the Koenig one comes out slightly darker than a ready mix one from a paint shop. So always be careful when you do spray any anthracite products, doors, windows, that you might not always get the correct match. This repair requires me to use the darker Koenig one. Before spraying, always put your can of spray into a bowl of hot water. This warms the paint up and it allows it to come out nice and smooth. Okay, we're all prepared now. As you can see, I've masking taped everything. Before we apply the paint, just give it a wipe over with some cleaning thinners. Carefully start to build up the coats. Now, the conditions I'm repairing this in are not ideal. It's cold and damp, and in these conditions it unfortunately turns the darker colours lighter due to the moisture in the air. So a heat gun is required. So there we have it, repair complete. So the two things I want to highlight in this video is any darker colours sprayed in damp conditions can make the paint lighter. Unfortunately, I have to, as it's my job. But if you're doing this as a DIY job, wait for better conditions. The second problem you may come across is the two different colours of anthracite that are on the windows and doors. Just remember that one is slightly darker than the other. Okay, if you've enjoyed this video, smash us a like, drop us a comment, and if we can help you, we will. And please subscribe to give us a little support. Also, please check out our other videos, as we've got quite a few out now. You may find something that might just help you out in the future. I'm the Black Country Craftsman. Don't forget to tell your muckers. Learning how to fix these problems yourself is cheaper than paying someone else to do it for you. Thanks for watching.